Why you felt like, you know what I'm saying, people weren't listening to you or whatever, like?
Bro, you know that shit stay in the child, please.
Yeah.
Adults always right, that green ass shit.
And you got told that shit a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a lot of us did. I can't just say you. A lot of us did, you feel me? Shit, nigga was trying to be nosy, trying to figure out what's going on. For sure. But like, man, what you been working on lately, bro? Matter of fact, before you even get to that, bro, I saw you in a Lil Tyler video. You feel me? Like, I seen you been hanging out. You feel me? You was in Lil Shimmy, them shit, Hurricane Willing and shit. Like, I see you be moving, you feel me?
Yeah, so.
Like, you know these boys are like, how you be getting in their videos? Because people be, you know, nigga, I want to get in their videos, you feel me?
Mutual friends and shit, connections and shit.
Okay. Mm-hmm. I mean, you plan on, like, dropping any music with any of them boys?
Yeah. Okay. Shit me for sure.